Alright, yeah, short run today. I thought I was going to try and get this running since the last time I played with it. But what we're going to have to do is just start from the very beginning. I don't know if the timing on the flywheel is out, so I'm going to have to check that. And then it sometimes didn't really have compression where I thought it should. So we're just gonna go from the very beginning. I'm gonna tear the head off, triple check that I got top dead center, flywheel and ignition set properly. Once I have that all in place, triple checked with the head off, we'll reassemble the governor and the valve shaft here, the camshaft, to make sure that's doing what it's supposed to, or in the right place. The good news is that when I was spinning it real fast, it did seem to be moving the governor properly, and it was not hitting the side of the engine when it was interfering, so that's good. But yeah, and like I keep saying, I'm pretty confident once I get this figured out that it's going to be just like that EM1, run real nice. The EM1, of course, I must not have filled it all the way up because it ran out of fuel after 10 minutes. It's also a damp and cold day, so that means that the mix goes out really quick as the engine warms up between the water in the air and how cold the air is. You have to have it real open to get a lot of extra fuel in because the fuel doesn't vaporize real well. And then as it heats up, it starts to boil the fuel but also dry the air out, and that extra moisture in the air becomes steam, which is going to displace some of the oxygen in your air mixture. So then it's got to lean out pretty solid to keep from flooding. So it's always a testy day on these cold mornings to get these things working in real well. But otherwise, I'll be on vacation this weekend, so we'll see if I have any video from the weekend. Who knows? I'm probably going to be far too busy because I got stuff to do. Alright, next time we see this engine, it'll be getting torn apart stem to stern.